Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to import flashcards into Quizlet. So yeah, let's get straight into it. First, what we are going to do is go to the Quizlet website and log into your account. Now, when you are in, you will see something like that, probably. And when you do that, just jump here to the right top side where you see this plus icon. So click on it and then create and select flashcard set. Okay, now what we are going to do is just put in some title. All right, now we put in the title. Then you have here option for description, and just below the title area and the description you will see here import button located right next to the description, as I mentioned. And yeah, click on that. Now a large box will appear right here. Okay, what we are going to do now is jump where you have these uh, flashcards. So I have it here in the Google Docs. Now I will just copy this into here, like so. Okay, now look at the below here where we see between terms and definition and between cards. So as you can see, my text is here separate with the comma. So I need to select a comma right over here. New line, it's okay. And as you can see down here, we already have created basically the flashcard. So we have here photosynthesia, so like the title, and then we have the definition. Now what we need to do is just simply press here import button, and Quizlet will instantly populate the cards into individual slots, as you can see right here now. All right. Now what you can do, uh, you can choose also the language. So if you click on flashcard, you will see down here the English, so you can change it to Spanish or you can search for language. So how you do that, just click here on the flashcard, for example. No, come on. All right, so if you click right here into this, you will find here the language. Okay, when you do that, just below here create and practice, or just create. So today I just want to show you how you can import flashcard into Quizlet. So we will just click create, and as you can see, we have it, our new flashcard right in this. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the